Welcome, and here's your slice of Apple today. Bloomberg is reporting that Apple has already made an Apple GPT generative AI platform. While still in early development, Apple executives have placed an emphasis on further bolstering their machine learning capabilities and have increased hiring for AI experts. Apple has not made any formal announcements at this time about introducing generative AI within its product lineup. The Beats Studio Pro headphones have been officially released. The premium line to the Beats lineup includes lightweight materials, 40-hour battery life, USB-C, noise cancellation, and spatial audio sound that puts it up against the Apple AirPods Max at only $349. Game engine maker Unity has launched a developer program to build environments for the upcoming Apple Vision Pro. Unity is working alongside Apple to create programs to promote building applications for the soon-to-be-released Vision Pro headset. Gaming is seen as a natural extension of the Vision Pro's capabilities. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed your slice of Apple. For your daily bite, hit the subscribe and notification button.